What's up, guys? Today I wanted to do a little review and demo of the Ibanez TSA15 amp head. It has the tube screamer pedal built into it. It's the TS9, and it comes with two preamp tubes and two power tubes. The preamp tubes are the 12 AX7s. Power tubes are the 6V6s. The purpose of this demo is basically because I was on the fence about this, and I searched YouTube up and down, and everybody seemed to just be using this as a clean channel amp, which by all means it is. But there was a lot of people that I came across looking for the answer, does it do metal, does it, do hard rock? And the answer to that is yes. I'm not an accomplished guitar player. I'm very much a beginner, so you're not gonna hear very good guitar playing from me. I'm running into a 212 open back cab loaded with Celestion 7080s. I have an array of pedals, as you can see, but the purpose of the video is not for my guitar playing. It's more or less just to give the kind of sound that this amp can deliver. It does have an effects loop, but it's not a normal effects loop. The effects loop is in between the tube screamer and the preamp section of the amp. That being said, what that means is, on a normal effects loop, all your modulation would be after your power section of the amp. When you plug all your pedals into it, it's going to act as though it's in front of your preamp section. So the FX loop is actually before your preamp section. That is a drawback, but it still sounds amazing to my ears, and I hope it can come across on this video. Alright, so this is going to be the clean sound that this amp puts out. I'm using a Les Paul with the Super Distortion in the bridge and a PFA Anniversary in the neck, and bass is set to 12, treble set to 2, volume set to 10, and this is your clean sound. Okay, so I turned the tube screamer on. The overdrive's all the way down. The tone is at 12 and the level is at 12, so it sounds like this. Okay, now I turned the 6 dB boost on, and basically it just boosts the level of the amplifier. And that's simply with the tube screamer on, the boost on, right from the Les Paul into the head, into the 212 cab, mic'd with the Shure SM58. Okay, so I have the Jekyll and Hyde on the distortion side on now. The drive is set about 1 o'clock, tone between 12 and 1, EQ at 12 o'clock, volume between 10 and 11. I have a Boss GE7 on as a boost pedal, and then the Nano Holy Grail with a little reverb. And I think that really sounds good. I think it dirties up nice. So I right now am running the Jekyll and Hyde, the overdrive side. Drive set about 11 o'clock, tones probably about 4 o'clock, a little bit past, and volumes a little before 10 o'clock. I also have the Tender Octaver by Mower on, which is basically a Pog pedal, and you hopefully hear the bottom end that this has. Alright, so I got the Nano Big Muff in the chain now, and I'm gonna attempt to do the one part of White Stripes Blue Orchid. Again, bear with me, I am a beginner guitarist, so let's give this a try. Okay, so now I got the Park Fuzz in the chain and Little Stone's Satisfaction. Alright, we're back on the Nano Big Muff, and I'm going to attempt to do the Black Keys riff, Gold on the Ceiling. So we're back on the Jekyll and Hyde Distortion side, and I'm going to do a little Iron Man riff. Little Cream, Sunshine for Your Love. And just for fun, here's the Nano Big Muff with the wah. Now the Park Fuzz with the wah, just to compare to Nano Big Muff with the wah. So there you have it. I'm sure I don't do the amp justice. In the hands of an accomplished guitar player, I know it's going to sound 100,000 times better. I have the mic set roughly about an inch away from the cab, more towards the center of the speaker. So hopefully the audio will come out good. Hopefully it will shed some light on what this amp can do in the rock section, opposed to most of the videos on YouTube that just kind of play it clean. Like I said, I was on the fence and I didn't know if I wanted to get rid of the orange micro dark, and I'm glad I did, because I enjoy this amp a lot more